Hello and welcome to a very special update from True Options Masters. I've got Mike Carr here with me today. Mike, you've had a very, very busy week. All of the experts at Banyan Hill have been wanting to talk to you about a new trading revolution that you're starting. I find this very interesting. Mike, tell us, what is it that you're going to be trading in this new revolution of yours?
Well, to find out exactly what I'm going to be trading, you have to click on the link and sign up for the presentation that we have scheduled, premiering Wednesday night, 8 p.m. Eastern. But I can tell you it's a very popular asset. It's a very volatile asset, and our backtest accumulated a gain of 43,000% in 7 years.
I saw that, Mike. I mean, annually, that's over 100% per year, which is just absolutely insane. And correct me if I'm wrong, it's actually 5 times more money than the number one asset of the last decade. And it also came with 5 times less risk, or 80% less risk than that asset as well, correct?
Correct. It's 5x the returns, 138% a year on average.
Unreal.
I was really surprised, but the numbers don't lie. And we should note, we're going to share the rules so that anybody can verify exactly what we're saying.
Right. So to find out exactly what Mike is trading, just go ahead and click the link that was included in this video. Sign up for free. You'll be able to watch the presentation as it airs Wednesday night at 8 p.m. Eastern time. Mike, we've done a lot of strategies together here at True Options Masters. You know, the one in particular that stands out to me is something you launched 2 years ago, which was itself kind of a revolution in trading. You devised a strategy that revolves around one ticker symbol. You trade it once a week and you never deviate from that path. You found a way to basically really make better returns than the market by actually reducing your variables, which really spoke to me. And I know it spoke to a lot of people. It's become one of the most popular strategies we offer here at Banyan Hill. This idea that, you know, by kind of focusing on too many stocks and too many variables, you end up moving around more than you should. Tell us a little bit more about that revolution you started, Mike, and how this new revolution is kind of a response to that.
Right. So the focus of what we trade is price. And I think a lot of people forget that. They get caught up in the story of the company or the technology. They get caught up in analyzing the fundamentals, but nobody is buying. Well, nobody should be buying fundamentals or stories. They should be buying price. So we just look at the price and then we focus on the short term. The one trade, lately, we've been holding positions sometimes for just a couple hours. And we're recording nice double-digit gains on that in, a couple hours. So we're just pulling safe money out of this very volatile market. And I should note, we're profitable year to date. We're profitable month to date in one trade. So even though the market's been volatile and down, we've just been pulling sure little profits out here and there as we spot them.
Yeah, that's very exciting. The fact that you have actually are recording a profit this year is tremendous with the volatility you've been seeing. But what I find so interesting is that it is the volatility that is why you've been able to do it. But you've been doing that basically just trading SPY. This is the biggest, most popular ETF on the market, the most liquid ETF on the market. But your update, this new revolution, you're going to be trading a new asset. More volatile asset, a more exciting asset that is probably the best thing on the planet to trade. So what do you think that this new update to this revolution of yours is going to be able to do for people?
I think it's going to deliver even bigger gains. So it's not going to be too much more activity. We averaged about 1 trade per month in the back test. So not a ton of activity, but the profits are there. We're going to get in, we're going to ride the trend as long as it exists. And this asset delivers weeks-long trends, months-long trends in some cases, and the trends are big. So we've been able to just develop a technical system around this asset that trades it perfectly for now.
And I've seen some of the details, Mike. You really seems like you're timing some of the rallies perfectly. and you're also timing tops as well. It seems like this system of yours has an ability to escape this asset before major crashes happen. And I just have to say, this is so exciting. Mike, never in my wildest dreams would I ever have believed you were going to trade this particular thing. And guys, for those of you watching, click the link, sign up, it's free. You've got to see what Mike is trading. We're going to tell you as soon as you sign up. So go ahead, do it now, and make sure that you tune in Wednesday, July 27th at 8 p.m. We'll tell you exactly where the presentation is going to air once you sign up for the link that was included in this video. So Mike, do you have any final words for our True Options Masters today?
No, I really think this is a truly exciting innovation, and we just don't see things like this come along very often.
I agree. All right, Mike, thanks for your time today. And everybody make sure you sign up and tune in to Mike's video next week. We'll see you then.